What's that? Is that what the hen says? What's a ducky say?
Gaga.
What's a horsey say? What's a cow say? Moo. What's a sheep say? Bah. What's a bumblebee say? What's a doggy say? That's right. What's the hen say? That's a horsey. What's the hen say? You were just clucking. Can you say baby?
Baby.
Can you say diaper?
Diaper.
That's right. Am I even getting you in camera? I don't know if I'm even getting you on camera. Can you say baby again? Say baby?
Baby.
What's a train say, Hunter? That's right. What color is that pickup truck out front?
Red.
It's white. That's right. What color's your car that you like so much?
Red.
Red? Yes. And blue. You have a blue car too, don't you? Yeah. How do you say please? That's right. Good job. Okay, bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Where are your shoes? How do you say shoes in Spanish? Shoes, how do you say it in Spanish? Zapatos?